Hey everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. So this is the second time that Crafty, Meggy, and I are using this sketch. The first time we used this sketch in our Sketch to the Max series is we do it very literally, and then the second time we change it up any way we want. And this is the time that I kind of flip it over, kind of rotate it one time to the right so that the photos are a portrait instead of landscape. Now, the paper that I'm using, some of you may recognize it from my Mini Kit Monday kit for the month of April. It was the only 12 by 12 paper that I had left from that kit. It is from the Stargazer from Dear Lizzy. I'm very happy to use it up. I do have some scraps left over from that kit, but I am not using that today on this page. I also had trimmed down that ledger paper because I wanted to put it on this bright green, not green, pink girl, because I want it to match as close to my daughter's hair as possible. And the other papers that I'm using are from Sunny Days. It's from crepe paper. Now, the stripe paper has that beautiful pink color that I absolutely love. And the polka dot they're all navy polka dots, and that paper is on a cream base, and I felt that it kinda got lost on the ledger paper, which happens to be a white based. Some people have a hard time combining the white and the cream together. I think this looks fantastic. I love the way that this is looking. It really does add a dimension there, so I am, very, very happy about it. Now I'm looking for some washi tape. There is an element that goes above the photos, and I do find some washi tape, and it's this one. It is from, I want to say it's from the Gather collection from Crepe Paper. I got that at Tuesday Morning a couple months ago. It's kind of this green floral with some pink and gold leaves. It's so, so pretty. And of course, I used my T-square. I got that T-square at Hobby Lobby. It is over there by, oh, what do they call that area? Um, where there's like a compass and some other, oh, now I can't remember what the area is called. I know at my Hobby Lobby, when I go look for watercolor paintbrushes, it's on the opposite wall. So, if that helps you any. It is not over with the scrapbook area, and I think maybe it was $3. It wasn't that expensive, and I'm telling you, I use that all the time. It is so worth the money. And I don't always use a T-square because a lot of times my photos are kinda cattywampus, but this time I wanted to make sure everything was kinda lined up for whatever reason. So the sticker paper that I'm using is from the Sunny Days, and there are some little stickers that are to the left of this page. I got all this in a kit from the Secret Not Secret Kit Club, and it didn't have like any chipboard in it. It just had the stickers. They had the clear stickers, and I got some ephemera. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go over to Joann's and pick up some more of this collection. It's full of a lot of travel things, but these photos aren't about traveling, it's about summer. So and I do have a lot of travel photos. I am gonna try to get, some of those put together, into albums somehow. I don't know how, but it will happen. I've been on so many trips that um, I haven't really done much with. I really need to. So the little sticker that I'm messing with there that's under the word summertime is a clear sticker. It has 5 teeny tiny pink hearts on it. Felt it needed a little bit more besides the stickers. So the stickers, let me just tell you, you plus me, and underneath that is a label that says Radiate Love. And then up above where there is a green tag has a phrase that says take it easy, but you can't see the word it because I covered it up with the girl with the flowers in her hair. I really like that. So I thought that it went, even though her hair's not pink, it's okay. And I also put those wooden hearts on there. I felt it needed something else, and then I thought about that wood veneer banner, but it doesn't I don't know, it's not long enough because I felt it needed something longer. So I didn't want it the whole length, which is, 8 inches, so I cut off I wanna say it's 6 inches, and then, of course, the polka dot paper. I don't back that behind any, dark cardstock. Now, I do have several packets of these, puffy or wood veneer not wood veneer, oh, you know what I'm saying, these word phrases, and I didn't want the gold, and I didn't think you'd be able to see the white, so I think I was pretty much stuck with black, so I looked at all the black words to see which one would be the best, because you know me, I have at least 20 words on each page, but I go for the word "smile." So I'm gonna put it right there on top of the polka dot paper, that's down there on the bottom left-hand corner. Now, normally I use my glue dots to put down my wood veneer, but this time I am using my Distress Collage Medium. This is the same product that I use for my sequins. I know for a fact that those wood veneers are not gonna come off. This is such a good adhesive for these type of things, so I highly recommend it. Okay, so there's the word "smile." It's hard to see it really on the video, but you can see it very clearly, on, in real life. So now I'm gonna put some splatters, and I didn't have any pink splatters that really matched, but I did get this acrylic paint. This is from Vicky Bouton. That color is called Sugared Strawberry. I just watered it down, and I got my watercolor paintbrush and just splattered it all over. Of course, make sure you cover up your photos. Yeah, it could really mess that up. And then, of course, my favorite sequins that I've been using is "Music to My Heart" by Spiegelmom Scraps. I've been using them for months. I'm gonna be so heartbroken when those dark navy or royal blue sequins are gone. Now make sure you go over to Crafty Meggy's, channel. I'm gonna leave a link to her channel, below. Yeah, give her a thumbs up and sweet comments, and we will see you next month for another Sketch to the Max. Okay, thanks a lot, guys. Bye-bye.